Ma'am, are you still there with me?
Yes. I'm here.
Can you see him?
Yes. I see him.
I need you to take the shot.
He sees me. He's turning around. He's close.
Ma'am, take the shot now.
Are you sure about this?
Of course. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
CCTV systems?
Let's just say their systems will soon be changing to something far less tasteful.
Visibility?
Upon entry, 20 minutes of delta phosphorus gas is primed for release from the air ducts. I expect visibility to be quite low.
And resistance?
Resistance? Huh. I look forward to it.
No backup?
My partner, Mr. X, is on his way. You see, he's very, very shy. I've asked him to first tie up some loose ends.
Wait, but you don't have an extraction bag? How will you take the assets from the vault?
Take? No. I'm merely giving them a gift.
A gift?
Information. A log of illegal money transfers tied to the nation's top diplomats.
And you expect to stay safe once this goes public?
Heavens no. I expect to die.
Last question. Who is it going to be this time?
The loose end.
Yeah.
It's you. It's a shame. I was beginning to enjoy our game of 20 questions.
Ma'am, this man in the mask, is he holding paper?
Yes.
Listen to me very carefully. This is a known criminal and an extremely manipulative person. Do you have anything to defend yourself?
There's a crisis response gun in my manager's desk. I've never used it.
I need you to take the shot.
He sees me. He's turning around.
Ma'am, take the shot now.
Good evening, I'm Andy Inman, and this is a breaking news update. Tonight, a brazen bank heist at the prestigious Congress Bank has uncovered a political scandal of unprecedented proportions. Skilled criminals, attempting the heist, left behind a crucial document revealing illegal money transfers by numerous politicians. Though no money was stolen, the fallout has been monumental. Law enforcement discovered a web of clandestine financial transactions involving 184 politicians across various government levels. This shocking revelation, orchestrated by the criminals, exposes a systemic scheme to move money discreetly, unveiling corruption.
Good evening,
within the
Mr.
political
X.
sphere.
I've recently
Amidst the
obtained a
chaos
list
of
of
the heist
billionaires
aftermath,
with
an easy
less than
driver
honest
was
business
found
dealings. Are you interested in a new project?
You are now in the presence of a